Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I'm going to cut to the quick. I love this radio. I really like this radio. It is so cool. This is the PRUNUS J-666S. It's AM, FM, shortwave, MP3 player, Bluetooth. Unbelievable. This is awesome. Really, this is awesome. It's on sale right now on Amazon for $31.99. That's 20% off. Let me show you some of the features. Now, something I like and unfortunately maybe I don't like is it has a lighted dial, but it also has this kind of spectrum display, which is not really spectrum. It's just lights that kind of associate with what's playing. But you can turn it off. You push and hold this button right here. I'll go over the buttons in a second. And it turns it off. Still playing. But it turns the backlight off. So you got either both on or both off. So that's a little disadvantage. But it's not that distracting. Although probably what you would want to do is when you're listening to this and going to go to sleep, you probably want to tune it with the backlight on and then turn the backlight and the spectrum light off. So, but very bright, very easy to read display. It is analog, so that's kind of a disadvantage for me. I like digital tuning. I'm just hooked on digital tuning. I like to go to the precise frequency and not trying to find a station. Okay, no big deal. So let me show you the controls. Let me turn this off. This is music from the YouTube free library. Here's the controls. This is on, off, and the light control. This is for selecting a channel or a track on the USB device, which there's the TF card and there's the USB. Or if you're playing from your cell phone via Bluetooth, you can select tracks or whatever. This is the charging port, standard USB, which it comes with a cable, and a charge indicator, which is when it's charging, it's red. When it's fully charged, it's green. This is the mode or band select, music, FM, AM, shortwave, auxiliary in. It has auxiliary input. This is for controlling the playing of music tracks, forward, stop, start, and then this is the reverse, move it backwards. Big solar panel, carrying handle, nice carrying handle, which goes down out of the way. And a telescopic antenna, which is about 18 inches. Little short. It does swivel, so that's the advantage. It uses a 18650 battery, which is, and we'll look it up here in the manual. Real quick. Yeah, real quick. I can't do anything quick. 1800 milliamp hours. Okay, I'm looking at dimensions, 7.6 by 7.6, so it's basically square by about 5 inches tall. Beautiful color. I love, as you can tell by my background, I'm a red fanatic. Big print, user's manual. I love that PRUNUS has gone to the big print manuals. So I don't have to download a file and then print it myself. So it's easy for me to read. Let me show you the other bands. We'll go to FM real quickly. And we got music. Very sensitive. Music. Okay, we'll stay off the FM band. It's all music right now. AM band. We're at the top of the band right now. More music. Gee whiz. Oh, I might have to delete this. Okay, there was somebody talking.
By what's in there, but the victims as well. Without a doubt. And speaking of the victims, it was a really...
The tuning, even though it's kind of coarse, it's very smooth, very smooth. I tried to do some shortwave listening about an hour ago, picked up 3 or 4 stations, mutes while tuning. Oh my gosh. And it goes from 5.6 megahertz to 22 megahertz. So I was able to pick up a couple of stations with this short built-in antenna. If you use a clip-on long wire antenna, about 20 feet long, it will improve greatly. But it does tune very smooth. So if you have the patience and you want to deal with that muting while tuning, it tunes very smooth. So that's not bad. And we see, not going to get anything on shortwave now. It's too late in the morning. We'll go back to music and we'll play some more. The sound is awesome.
When the lights go down.
Okay. Nope, that's pause. Let me show you something. Why, one of the reasons, let me put this down. One of the reasons that the music is so good, or the audio is so good, is this huge monster speaker on the bottom. And that thing, boy, when it's playing, boy, it moves. It's got lots of bass. Okay, let's turn it back on. I'll quit babbling oops, knock that over. Okay, sorry, Mike, I knocked your sign over there, shouldn't me? I just got you listen. Yeah, that audio is fantastic. Okay, in summary, pros and cons. Pro, I like the design. It's kind of a retro design. Yeah, the reception is excellent on AM and FM. Shortwave, not so good. The antenna is just not long enough for shortwave. If you add an external clip-on antenna, then shortwave band will be pretty good. It does mute while tuning. Lots of bass. You heard that bass. Wow. It does have the replaceable. It's replaceable. You can take it out. 18650 battery. You can put a higher capacity battery in it. I know Todderbert talks about some higher capacity batteries than the ones you get with the radios. So they were playing longer. I believe, although, let me look at the manual here. My memory's not too good. I believe, I don't know. I was thinking maybe, no, it doesn't really say that. Maybe that it has TWS, where you can have 2 of them and you can have stereo, because this is mono, of course. I'm not sure. It does have the USB and the TF card slots right up here. And it does have auxiliary input. So you can use it as an amplifier speaker. And right now on Amazon, I'm going to put it in my Amazon store because I really like this. It's on sale for $31.99. That's 20% off the regular price. Now the cons. As I said before, I am hooked on digital tuning. So this is analog tuning. But the tuning is very smooth. So that's it. And of course, since it's not analog tuning, since it is analog tuning, there's no digital readout. Okay. There's no weather band. This is not an emergency radio from the standpoint that it has NOAA weather. There's no weather band. Now, I've read that one of the negatives is no handle or strap. Well, it has a handle. So that's bad information people put out. It's just kind of neatly put away. So that's a possible a con which doesn't exist. It does have a handle. It's not a carrying strap. It's a handle. And of course, it's got muting while tuning. Let me just show you muting while tuning. Let's go to shortwave and don't think I'll get anything. We'll extend the antenna. So you can hear the muting. Yeah, let's go up. Down the band here. Okay, so you see, you have to just very carefully turn the dial, stop for a half a second, let it sink back in, and then you can see if there's anything there. Okay, muting while tuning. Now, the other thing I'm kind of summarize on is who is this radio for? Well, it does have the retro look. So if you want a radio that looks kind of retro, yeah. And it's a great portable radio with a carrying handle. You can take it with you in the kitchen or the garage when you're working in the garage. And for instance, listen to MP3 music. Also, they advertise it's for elders because it's pretty straightforward. I didn't really have to even refer to the manual when I first started using it. Everything was pretty straightforward. It does not have, I just realized, it doesn't have an headphones jack. I'll be darned. Well, that's not good. Yeah, anyway. And it would make an excellent GIF. It's only $31.99, 20% off right now. So I really, really like this radio. And I want to thank PRUNUS for sending me this radio. They've been very gracious in sending me radios to review. And this one is a keeper. I really like this radio. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye-bye.